For IB Biology, we got a great news for you. Basically, what you have learned in the IGCSE biology curriculum is pretty much the same as what you're going to learn again in your IB curriculum. If you look at the specification, Topic 1, cell division, cell structures. Topic 2, biomolecules, enzymes, DNAs, transcription translations. Topic 3, genetics. Topic 4, ecology. Topic 6, human physiology, digestions, gas exchange, nervous system, hormonal systems. So it's pretty much what you've learned already in IGCSE, but of course in a more in-depth studies and analysis. So when it comes to IB Biology, if you're thinking of whether choosing this subject or not, well, there are several factors you need to think of. First of all, if you're planning to study psychology, physiotherapy, or like vets, or like biochemistry, biotechnology, then of course biology is usually a required subject for these university programs. Secondly, if you have to choose one science subject, for the IB requirements, and you just want a straight 7, the easiest way to get a 7, then IB Bio could be one of your options. Because for your reference, as from our advice, out of the 3 science subjects, we think that biology is in general the easiest one. Because it doesn't involve much calculations like physics, there's not much equations and formulas you have to learn. It's more like understanding and memorize them. Because again, as we said before in IGCSE biology, lots of facts, lots of definitions, functions, adaptations you need to memorize. And you need to be able to answer them out, regurgitate them out when you're doing the examination paper. So that's why it's more like memorization. It doesn't involve complicated concepts or abstract concepts. So that's why it's sort of easier to study. The concept is more straightforward. And the question itself, it's more easier to do if we compare to chemistry and physics. Last but not least, as a reminder, for IB Biology, the only tricky part we would say, 2 sections. First one is the question 1 of paper 2 every year, which is a data response questions. A lot of our students find it difficult to work on this question because it doesn't involve much of the bio concept. It's more like they give you data, figures and numbers where you need to analyze the trend, the patterns, and propose conclusions or possible hypotheses from the data. So it's more like analytical skills, graph analytical skills. The second one is the last part of paper 2, essay questions. So basically, those are long questions that you need to be able to answer them in as much as you can. For example, describe the importance of carbohydrates in living organisms. So you need to list out all the examples of carbohydrates and each of them, their specific functions to the living organism. Or they would say, describe the importance of enzymes and the metabolism in living organism. 8 marks, 9 marks. So not only you have to memorize all those points, bullet by bullet points, but also write it in a long paragraph with good consistency and fluency. So that is another challenging part for students who are taking bio. But again, in general, out of the 3 science subjects, bio is closest to what you learn in IGCSE. And it's sort of the easiest paper to handle if you compare to chemistry and physics. Schedule a trial with us and we would definitely love to share with you more on how to prepare for your upcoming IB Biology curriculum and examination. Good luck and we wish you all the best and looking forward to seeing you